actually home to check on her. They were in the bedroom, and she grabbed the knife, and now he's trying to get out to go to work, and she's mentally ill. Okay.
Okay. I have quite concerned right now, so he cannot get out of the room.
No, she won't let you.
Front door with nothing in your hand.
Coming back. I'll get his coverage. All right, come on out.
3 folks around with ARP mag.
He's be right there.
You see him? No, straight back.
Oh.
We are not going anywhere. Come to the front door with nothing in your hand.
I don't want that PA yet.
Hold that.
He was just yelling help. Help again. Yeah, he's yelling help.
You get close to go in? What's that?
Yeah, he's yelling help again.
Yeah.
Bang or no bang? Yeah, let's go.
No bang.
Let's go.
Put your knife down.
Rachel was ordered to drop the knife, but instead she... As officers turned Rachel over to render aid, a large knife with a yellow handle came out of her right hand. Here's that video again, slowed down where you can get a clear view of the knife.